What's up, outsiders? If you can't tell from the smile on my face, I'm super excited to be recording this video today. This is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. There was a point where I thought this would never happen, and it all happened because of you guys. I set a goal to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and it's July and we got 1,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. It's amazing to see all of the likes and comments and views on my videos. I can't thank you guys enough. It keeps me motivated to keep learning how to make better videos, better storytelling, do some cool gear reviews and how-tos, DIYs. I love doing it, and I love that you guys are enjoying watching my videos. And to say thank you to all of you guys for subscribing and watching my videos, I'd like to do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 $25 gift cards to my favorite local gear shop, Gear for Adventure. They carry everything you need from backpacking gear to hiking gear, camping, and paddling equipment. If you're not from Western New York and can't get to one of their 2 stores, that's okay. They'll ship it to you. So how do you enter this contest? It's pretty simple. Number 1, you got to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you got to like this video, so smash that like button. And the third thing is, you need to drop a comment in this video. And in the comments, answer 3 questions. Number 1, where'd you find out about Outside Chronicles? Is it from Facebook, a YouTube search, a suggested video? Did a friend tell you about it? So that's number 1. Number 2, which one of my videos is your favorite video? I'd like to know so I can make more content like that. And number 3, what kind of content would you like to see in the future? Is there any specific video or how-to you'd like to see? So those are the 3 questions you need to answer. And now, unfortunately, for the rules. This is not sponsored by anybody other than Outside Chronicles. Please, 1 entry per person, and it's only open to US and Canada residents. Sorry, rest of the world. You're gonna find out if you win. Well, we're gonna do a live stream on Thursday, August 6th at 8 p.m. Come join me, I'll be on the live stream. You can post some comments and questions. Hopefully we can have a pretty cool conversation. I'll use an app to randomize who wins, and we'll pick a first place and a second place drawing, each getting that $25 gift card to Gear for Adventures. And finally, I'd like to thank 80K Woodswalker. Go check out his channel. He helped me a lot with the logistics of this giveaway. Had a great giveaway himself when he reached 1,000 subscribers. So thanks, Jay, for all of your help. So thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, all of the views on my videos, the likes, the comments. It really helps me try to be a better YouTuber and bring you guys better content. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And remember, to enter the contest, you have until August 5th. Do those 3 things. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below with answering those 3 questions. That's it for now. I'll see you guys outside.